How to compare with industry peers. Cast Highlight collects millions of lines of code every year. The solution leverages this software intelligence to enable a benchmarking capability across geographies and industries. From the ID card of an application, we can reach the Benchmark tab to quickly compare between industry peers. The bubble chart uses business impact for the y-axis and software resiliency for the x-axis by default. The darker blue bubble represents our application. The lighter blue bubbles correspond to other applications belonging to our portfolio. And gray bubbles are anonymized applications coming from other customers. For each health factor, we can spot in which quartile the application lies. This application lies within the 4th quartile for software resiliency. Still, for the same application, we can click the software agility tile to refresh the bubble chart and see that we are doing quite well by placing within the 1st quartile. Lastly, for software elegance, we lie within the 4th quartile, which means there is certainly room for improvement by reducing code complexity. The benchmark is also configurable, meaning that we can apply some filters to narrow down the populations of applications by filtering via the programming languages, the type of applications, or number of users. As soon as the selection is made, the benchmark reflects to only compare applications that fit within the criteria, enabling us to compare apples to apples. For more information, visit casthighlight.com.